Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can charge your JBL Vive buds and how the whole process works. The first thing I want to share with you is that in the moment when you're going to have your Android phone and you would install the application JBL headphones, you can always see here what is the percentage of the JBL Vive buds, the left and right, the percentage of battery. Now to charge it, this is like really simple. You're going to have the cable in the case. This is going to how it's going to look like. It's a USB-C cable. And then how it works, all you have to do is put your earbuds back to the case. And then you just want to insert it right here. And automatically it's going to charge. And do you see this blinking here? That means that the earbuds are charging. So that's something that you can do, and this is how you're going to charge the JBL Vive buds. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.